friends, Miss Tracy here from the Myrtle Beach Art Museum. Welcome to our virtual early art education program. Each Wednesday, I will ask you a curious question about life's little mysteries. Together, we will explore this question until we find an answer. Then we will do a fun and creative art project using our new knowledge. So let's get started. Everybody sit crisscross applesauce. Turn your listening ears on. Now for this week's question.
Is a bubble a ball?
To explore this question, I have made my own homemade bubbles. You can make them too with the help of an adult. So the first thing that you would do is stir together a half cup of water, a quarter cup of liquid detergent, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then you can make your own bubble wand. If you have a plastic straw, you loop it and tie it together.
Let's start by first asking ourselves, what do we know about bubbles? They're made from water or other liquids. They're a sphere, so they're round. They're light and fragile like a balloon, and if you touch them, they'll pop. So now we can ask ourselves, what is a ball? A ball can be a sphere and round like a bubble, or elliptical like a football. It can be hollow like a basketball, or solid like a bowling ball. You can throw it or kick it.
Sometimes finding the answer to one question means we have to ask lots more questions. Can we hit a bubble like a ball? No. Can we kick a bubble like a ball? No. Is a bubble solid like a bowling ball? No. Does a ball pop when you touch it? No. So is a bubble a ball? No. You did it, friends! We solved this week's question. Kiss your brain. Now, who wants to do an art project?
These are the materials you will need. Baking sheet or shoebox, paint, toy ball or marble, a spoon, container, cup or bowl, tape, and a piece of paper. The first thing that you do is take your tape and tape your piece of paper to the inside of the sheet pan or the cardboard box. You may have to cut your paper to fit inside. Then you take your paint, you put a little bit in your container, and you can put either your toy ball or the marble that you're using in the paint. You take your spoon and mix it up. You want to try and get the marble to be covered with the paint. Then you can drop it on your paper and roll the pan back and forth. Isn't it cool that the marble makes lines? So any type of ball dipped in paint would make lines on your paper. Then you can add more colors to your paint and see what happens. So I've mixed red and blue. We're going to see what color this makes. I'll put the ball back in here, get more paint on it, and drop it again. It made purple. Blue and red makes purple. And look at our beautiful artwork.
Thank you, friends, for joining me today. I hope you had fun, and I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday. Bye, friends.